Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Dodge Durango battery using an easy method. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear like gloves and eye protection. Ensure your vehicle is parked in a well-ventilated space, away from any flammable materials. Before you begin, always turn off all electrical components in your Durango to prevent any accidental shorts or damage. Now, let's connect your battery charger. Take the red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal on your Durango's battery. Next, connect the black negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal ground point on the engine block or chassis, away from the battery itself. This helps prevent sparks near the battery's gases. With the clamps securely in place, it's time to start charging. Set your battery charger to the appropriate voltage, typically 12 volts, and the recommended amperage for your battery type. Once set, plug the charger into an electrical outlet and turn it on. Keep an eye on the charger's indicator lights or display to monitor the charging progress. Once your battery is fully charged, it's crucial to disconnect everything safely. First, turn off and unplug the battery charger from the electrical outlet. Then, carefully remove the black negative clamp from the metal ground point. Finally, disconnect the red positive clamp from the battery's positive terminal. Your Dodge Durango battery is now charged and ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.